Today we're going to be doing a unboxing on this winch here. That my wife picked up for me. I asked her to order it for me. It's a plate for that winch that my kids got me for Christmas. This is going to allow me to mount it on my ATV. Now, it's with the same company, Badland. It's $5 at Harbor Freight. You can't really beat that. Let's get this thing open. Whoop. Comes with some directions here. Well, I better not mess up Mama's countertops. We won't be doing nothing. Alright, so, yeah, it comes with, it's about like 1/4-inch steel plate. It's very, I mean, it's pretty cool for $5. It's got all the different holes, so you can accommodate different size winches, probably. Yeah, very cool. Well, guys, it's going to be a short one. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.